Are you planning to remodel your kitchen and wondering about the best wood for your cabinets? Choosing the right wood is crucial, not just for durability but also for aesthetics. Let's dive into the top 10 wood types and their pros and cons. Starting with solid hardwoods, we have cherry, known for its luxurious appearance and ability to stain well, although it absorbs wear and tear easily. Maple is durable with a fine wood grain and customizable colors, but beware, it may lose luster in direct sunlight. Ash is easy to work with, has versatile tones and a customizable finish, but it's porous and requires proper sealing. Hickory is durable with diverse shades, but its busy wood grain may not suit smaller kitchens. Lastly, oak is incredibly durable, varied in colors, easy to stain, but its wood grain is difficult to hide. Now that we've covered hardwoods, let's move on to softwoods. Next up are softwoods including spruce, pine, and Douglas fir. Spruce is a budget-friendly option that's easy to work with, though it can be susceptible to insects and fungi. Then there's pine, offering a soft, smooth texture and resistance to moisture, but it's prone to dents and scratches. Lastly, Douglas fir stands out with its strong, stable structure and attractive grain pattern. However, its color tends to change with sunlight exposure. Now let's explore some man-made options. Last but not least, we have high-density fiberboard and medium-density fiberboard. High-density fiberboard mimics hardwood and is quite durable. However, it doesn't have the longevity of natural woods and lacks the same natural aesthetics. On the other hand, medium-density fiberboard is easy to paint, giving you versatility in design. However, it's sensitive to heat, can warp when wet, and lacks the durability of other options. That wraps up our top 10 wood types for kitchen cabinets. So, you've got a lot to consider when it comes to choosing the perfect wood for your kitchen cabinets. It's all about pairing your needs and preferences with the right wood type. Remember, expert advice is only a call away. For expert help, don't hesitate to reach out to Kitchens by Woody's in Barbersville, West Virginia. They're ready and eager to assist with all your kitchen cabinet needs.